So today we're out here at Parrot Bay. Basically I want to test out the Micro Four Thirds system. I've been looking at upgrading, and when I look at the full frame glass that I want to buy, it ends up being pretty big and significantly heavy. So I thought, since I do own a GH4 and this Olympus 40 to 150 f4 to 5.6 woo speed, I'd give it a go and see how it performs. Okay, so we've been walking for a while now. We've heard a lot of birds, and I've tried to take a picture of one or two of them. However, this lens here, it only does 150 millimeters, which in full frame is about 300 equivalent. So some of the birds out here are pretty small and they're pretty far away. I'm definitely gonna have to look at investing in a bigger, higher magnification lens if I want to really do birding, even though I do get Micro Four Thirds 2 crop advantage. Which brings up one of the reasons I am looking at moving to Micro Four Thirds, is because, you know, my 300 millimeter lens is a lot bigger than this guy here. It's a bit faster too, but even the 80 to 400 is quite a heavy lens. So this makes this a lot more enjoyable experience, and you know, I can hold the whole thing in 2 fingers. Parts with trying to image chickadees is like having them land on top of your lens and then you're like, why has my lens quality just gone down? Because the little guy landed on my lens, so I got to see him like that close, but unfortunately I don't have a camera filming myself, so I can't show you him on my lens. So it's something I have to keep in mind next time. It's looking like chickadees are going to be all I'm going to be able to get today. Probably should have come out earlier today or brought some seeds with me to get a little bit more. So it's pretty good overall. Liking this. Although manually focusing with this lens, because you have to rotate it so much on the focus throw, isn't really reasonable. So yeah, definitely need a better lens. Post your suggestions in the comments below and subscribe to find out what I buy next.